Diwali. Actually, there is a story behind it. Do you want to hear it? Yes. Sure. A long, long time ago, there was a king of Ayodhya named Dashrath. He had three queens and four sons. His sons were Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, and Shatrughan. Ram was a very brave, courageous, kind, and very handsome prince who was loved by all. He had a very beautiful wife named Sita. King Dashrath wanted to make Ram the crown prince, but his youngest queen Kaikeyi was not happy with his plans. Once, Queen Kaikeyi had helped King Dashrath during a war, and he had promised to grant her two wishes. Let's see what Queen Kaikeyi asked for.
Make Bharat my son the crown prince and send him to the court for 14 years.
But how can I do this? He's the most suitable and loved by all.
But you promised.
So Ram was now on his way to the forest, and everyone was very sad. Ram, Lakshman and Sita were now happily settled in the forest. Just then, the demon princess Shurpanakha saw Ram and found him to be very handsome. She came disguised as a beautiful girl and asked Ram to marry her. But Ram told her that he was already married to Sita. Shurpanakha then got very angry and attacked Sita. Lakshman cut off her nose. Shurpanakha then went and complained to her brother Ravan. Ravan was the demon king of Lanka.
Who did this to you?
In this way, Shurpanakha tempted Ravan. He wanted to kidnap Sita so that he could marry her. So he called for his uncle Marich to help him.
Marich, go in disguise and distract Ram and Lakshman. Okay, my lord. Uncle has a golden deer.
Marich then came in the form of a golden deer. When Sita saw the deer, she wanted it. When Ram went behind the deer and shot an arrow at him, Marich came back to his true form and started mimicking Ram's voice and called for Lakshman to help him. Lakshman then drew a line of protection around Sita called the Lakshman Rekha and asked Sita not to cross it. When Lakshman went away, Ravan came in the disguise of a holy man and asked Sita for food. Ravan came in the disguise of a holy man and asked Sita for food.
Om Bhavati Vikranteni.
As soon as Sita crossed the Lakshman Rekha, Ravan kidnapped her and took her to Lanka. When Ram and Lakshman came back, they saw that Sita was missing.
Ram is so happy.
Sita! Where are you? Mate, where are you?
When they went looking for her, they met Jatayu, who told them that Ravan had kidnapped Sita. On their way, they helped the monkey king Sugriv to fight a war. So in return, the monkey king sent the superhero Pavanaputra Hanuman to help Ram find Sita. Sugriv then told Hanuman to help Ram find Sita.
Hanuman, go help Ram to find Sita.
वही कहना जानुमान
Sita, will you find her?
While searching for Sita, Hanuman crossed the ocean and landed in Lanka. Ravan had imprisoned her because she refused to marry him. Go ahead. We are having a technical difficulty. Thanks for your support.
Sita is in hurry. That's okay. Wait.
Suddenly no power in the jungle.
Yeah, we can. Okay, guys. Hanuman has now given the ring of Ram to Sita. Sita recognizes the ring as Ram's. Ravan then caught Hanuman and set his tail on fire. But Hanuman created havoc in Lanka by setting the whole city on fire. Hanuman then went back to Ram.
Thank you.
Ram and the army of monkeys, known as the Vanar Sena, set out to Lanka.